Okay, so, let L be the tangent line to the hyperbola. And I'm going to point out, this is the hyperbola. You studied hyperbolas in math 120, all right? So let's write this down. And hyperbola is actually y equals 1 over x. That's the way I like to write it, all right? And they say at the point where x equals 3. So again, if I were doing that, I'm going to say that there's a tangent line over here, all right? And what's the point going to be? They say x is 3. I'll put this over here. And what's the y going to be? The y would have to be 1/3, right? That's the point on the hyperbola. But there's a line there that's tangent to that. This is the line they're talking about. All right, we'll get to their question later. But I'd like to know what the line is because they did mention it. How do I do that? I need to find out the derivative of this guy over here. And again, certainly, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that. That's not the derivative. This is the function. The derivative, let me put this down for you, is going to be, well, you can compute it by using a definition. You're going to get minus 1 over x squared. All right, now, so why do you need that? The reason I need that is I need the slope of the line. This is the line L. I need its slope. Well, the slope is going to be the value computed at 3. What's it going to get? Minus 1/9. All right, so now I know the equation of the line, by the way. And let's write this down. It's going to be y minus y1. Well, this is the point in the line. I know that much. That's 1/3 equals the slope, which is minus 1/9. And then I'm going to say, what do I do? X minus 3 over here. This is the line, L. Now, so they didn't ask for that. I didn't say they did. I just said they talked about it, all right? So what do I know about this over here? Let me read it again. L is a tangent line to the hyperbola, xy equals 1, x equals 3. Find the area of the triangle. And how do I do that? I need to find these points. Well, let's talk about it. This point over here is going to be when y is 0. Let's plug it in. That's on the line, by the way. You get minus 1/3 equals minus 1/9 x minus 3. I'm going to multiply both sides by minus 9. You're going to get 3 equals x minus 3. I'm going to add 3 to both sides, and you're going to get x equals 6. I'll put that down. Again, someone's going to say, did they ask for that? No, but I need that to get area. Let's do this over here. This is another point. What do I know about this over here? I know the x is 0. Just looking at the picture, by the way. If x is 0, I plug it in. What do you get? Y minus 1/3. Again, we're plugging into the line. Equals minus 1/9. And then, 0 minus 3 is just simply minus 3. So what do you get over here? Y equals, let's see, that's going to give me 1/3 because, minus 1/9 times minus 3 is 1/3. And then I'm going to add, 1/3 to both sides, 2/3. Right, that's what that point is. Now, someone says, why do you need those points? I know the area of a triangle. The area of a triangle is going to be 1/2 times the base times the height. Let's write this down. Area, 1/2. What's the base going to be? It's actually 6 units long. What's the height of it? And by the way, this is not drawn to scale. It's 2/3. In other words, the x and y axis are not properly scaled. So what do you get over here? Let's take a look at it. I guess you just get 2. Let's look at the key. And there's a lot of work in the key. Wow, just 2. Exactly what we expected it to be. Thank you.